Data science continues to evolve as one of the most promising and in-demand career paths for skilled professionals. The term data scientist was coined recently when companies realized the need for data professionals who are skilled in organizing and analyzing massive amounts of data. As increasing amount of data becomes more accessible, large career companies are no longer the only ones in need of data scientists. The growing demand for data science professionals across industries is being challenged by a shortage of qualified candidates to fill the position. Being a data scientist has its own perks. Along with handsome salary, they have an opportunity to work with top executives. It is a good place to gain business knowledge. Data scientists can work virtually anywhere they desire. They are not just employed in tech but in several other industries too, which includes health, finance, marketing, retail, manufacturing, and even gaming. Data science is indeed one of the most prominent industries. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence. AI systems work by ingesting large amount of data, analyzing it for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future stats. Our programming focuses on acquiring data and turning it into actionable information. One of the advantages of AI is that it reduces time for data-heavy work and delivers consistent results. In some cases, AI can perform tasks better than humans, particularly when it comes to repetitive, detail-oriented tasks like analyzing large numbers of legal documents. AI tools complete jobs quickly and with relatively few errors. Not only can AI operate itself within limited context, it can also replicate abilities of human brain. It can use logic to apply knowledge and find solutions autonomously. Examples of AI technology are automation, machine learning, natural language processing, and even robotics. AI is used in many industries. Like in healthcare, it is used to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. In business, machine learning algorithms are being integrated to serve customers better. In education, it can automate grading and giving educators more time. It can assess students and adapt to their needs, helping them to work at their own pace. And thus, it is also one of the widely growing industries. Health includes both physical and mental health. Our mental health includes our state of mind and our emotions. Mental health counselors work with people dealing with cognitive and emotional issues. Counselors work with individuals, families, and groups to deal with mental health issues. These counselors assess and diagnose clients experiencing psychological distresses. Many counselors start by earning a bachelor's degree in human service field such as psychology, sociology, or social work. They work in clinics, schools, private practices, hospitals, and even government agencies. One of the rewards of being a mental health counselor is that they have a direct impact on lives and well-being of clients. With good stress management, they can maintain a good work-life balance. They help you cope up with problems like depression, anxiety, eating disorders, ADHD, and autism. They provide psychotherapy to clients by talking to them about their experiences, emotions, and thoughts. Counselors focus on personal development by helping you learn the skills and coping abilities you need to deal with such life changes. Demands of professions changes from time to time. This pandemic had a great impact on different jobs. Along with this, the dependency on technology has increased incredibly. No matter which industry you take, virtual interactions have become a prominent part. Online banking, online shopping, telemedicines have grown 10 times during this period. From the stats, we can see that the use of artificial intelligence and demands of doctors and counselors have taken a major leap. Although we are facing challenges, but we have adapted to the new environment, which has broadened our horizons. So it's apt to say that in the midst of all the chaos, there's always a new opportunity.